In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for translation, 2026 full guide. In 2026, literal, word for word translators just don't keep up with real conversations, regional slang, or professional tone. Whether you're handling business documents, localization files, or day to day chats, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into a multilingual translation assistant that preserves nuance, respects culture, and stays accurate with industry jargon. We'll start by setting the target persona, dialect, and cultural context. Instead of pasting text and saying, translate this, tell ChatGPT who it should be and who the audience is. For example, say, act as an expert bilingual translator and cultural localization specialist, translate from English to Spanish for a Mexican audience, keep it casual and warm, and replace any idioms with their proper regional equivalents. You can swap languages, adjust tone to formal or playful, and even ask it to maintain brand voice. This simple framing steers every choice the model makes. Next, for dense technical or industry specific content, give clear terminology guidance. Precision matters with legal, medical, or engineering language. Provide a short glossary or mapping and instruct ChatGPT to preserve framework and product names. A prompt might be, translate this technical paragraph into German. Use the correct engineering term for asynchronous processing and keep names like Playwright and Python in English. If terms are critical, list them up front so the model stays consistent across a long document. If you're localizing user interfaces or structured files, use few-shot prompting to protect your syntax. Ask it to translate only the values and never change keys. For example, translate the values in this JSON into Japanese. Do not modify the object keys. Input, welcome underscore message equals, welcome back, user. Output should be the same key with a natural Japanese greeting. One or two examples are enough to lock in the pattern. Sometimes you want more than a translation. You want the why. Ask for two versions and a brief explanation. For instance, translate this message into Tagalog, one strictly professional for business and one with everyday slang. Then, in one short paragraph, explain any cultural context behind the slang choices. This gives you the right register for different audiences and helps you learn the nuance. Finally, when you have piles of foreign language feedback, combine translation with summarization. Paste the text and ask, first, translate it to English. Second, condense it into a clean table with 3 columns. Core message summary, detected customer sentiment, and urgent action items required. If the text is very long, run it in chunks and ask the model to continue. Using ChatGPT this way turns translation into localization, faster, clearer, and culturally authentic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next